Hi all, welcome to new video for Horilla development series. In this video, we are going to see how we can set up the accessibility for the card action that we just configured in the last video. So, going to the VS Code. From here, in the last video, we have configured the actions and ATTS. The next option is the accessibility. Accessibility. Then it will take a string. Actually, the string is a path to a method that will return a boolean value. Well, if the function return true for a particular request, then the particular user have access to the see the edit action, the dictionary item. Is similar to the accessibility configured for the list view. You can check the video. I will add the details in the description. So yeah, let's use the accessibility we created for the Horilla list actions. I'm going to add the accessibility like from the custom app .cbv shift request and the function. You can see I'm able to navigate to the function. Okay, let's restart the server. Okay, now when I refresh and check here you can see now the edit is coming because the other Louis is a super admin. Now for the same user, when you check the function, okay, these are the function arguments passed to this function from the accessibility function. So when you check the request instance user perms, you'll get all the necessary information to check the permissions and user levels. So for now I just directly check if the user is super user, then show the action. In your case you can use it like user dot as pm and like base dot shift request, sorry, add shift request. When you check the model, yeah, it's shift request. So like this you can define your user levels. For now let's check by make it is false, provide it as false. Then when I check inside the browser and refresh, and I click the three dot, here you can see it's nothing coming inside the drop down item. If you want to remove this also, this three dot also, in that case you can simply check it inside the logic inside the init function. Def init, you have to provide you can mention the action item accessibility one by one from the init function also, like the same functionality. In some cases you having something like for some particular user they have edit and delete, and some have archive, unarchive or approve, something like that. So you can manage it like that. Okay, if self dot no so yeah, self dot request dot user is super user. You can provide this conditions like this, and inside that you can provide the attribute actions into the self. Okay, service restarted. When I refresh over here, okay, it will now accessible. You can see. Okay, is because no element is because the accessibility function is returning false. Now let's disable the 3 dot also. In that case, okay, your condition, yeah, if not super user, you can add your logic to make toggle these functionalities. You can also refer the employee or other configuration that already done inside Horilla. Let's refresh. You can see now the 3 dot also is gone. Okay, that's is about the accessibility function inside Horilla Card View. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can add it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.